sit-down strike. And this was used effectively, particularly in the auto industry, and it was so effective it's illegal. But that means you, instead of having a picket line outside the factory, what you do is you sit down in the factory and occupy it. And that was so effective it's now illegal. Student strikes, where students stop attending classes. I mean, not every student participates, but if you get enough students doing this, the Italians and the French used student strikes back in 2009, about a year ago, to roll back increases in fees and cuts in programs. I find it of interest that students here, when they talk about the increase in fees, just either suck it up or say, well, I'll write a letter, or a letter to the editor, or a letter to the governor. Why the UC and the Cal State system isn't organized into one large student strike, I don't know. But if it was, it would be very powerful. Armies have used strikes to cripple war efforts. Vietnam is one big example where tens of thousands of soldiers refused to participate in the war. And these were collective actions, because if you do it as an individual, you're easily isolated and repressed. But when you get dozens and hundreds of people doing this, then it's quite effective. But it's very difficult to organize. It's not easy at all. And all I can tell you as a student of history, it's possible, but it's also not easy. So I guess I've got the word. Time is up. So thank you for attending. And I recommend Jerry Clovey, Inequality, Power, and Development to you. To see you at another event.
Just a quick thank you to Professor O'Connell. Just a quick announcement. Like I said, this is a week for Haiti MSU's putting on. So tomorrow we're doing our shawarma sale. Shawarma is MSU tradition, and all the proceeds are going to Haiti. And also Thursday we have an event with former Bad Boys record rapper Loon in the Student Center, 6:30 p.m. And this is the Slam Awareness Quarter, so please, 6:30 p.m. Oh, sorry. Wednesday we have a blood drive also. Not for Haiti, but it's a blood drive for everybody else who needs it. Thank you very much for coming.